Ryan Brown from J. Ryan Brown Law. We're adding to the playlist on what it's like to be a criminal lawyer, and I want to talk about one of the kind of weird things that comes up. And sometimes clients may be affected by this, sometimes not. But just one of the things that's kind of stressful for us is that lawyers operate in a weird world where we have to go to court, right? And that's the public's court, but the judge runs that courtroom, right? And the judge issues calendars to the clerk, and you have to come to those court dates. So what if we want to go on vacation? What if we want to go somewhere with our families? What if we have a doctor's appointment? What is the mechanism for doing that? We file what's called a leave of absence. Now, the judges and the prosecutors have a chance to say, hey, I don't like those dates. Let's talk about this. But generally they don't, as long as someone's not abusing it. So a leave of absence, this is kind of judge dependent, but in Coweta Circuit, most of the time does not excuse the client or the defendant from showing up for court, but it does excuse the lawyer. The client's usually going to show up and get a new court date, but the lawyer does have the ability to take a vacation, believe it or not. Hard for a lot of folks to believe, but we do that from filing leaves and letting the court know that we're going to be away from the practice of law that day and will not be available to attend court. Everybody files them. You just got to make sure you file them in the right way. You got to let the judge know, the clerk know, the prosecutor know, so that everyone's involved. And then we always make sure we're going to let our clients know as well, so that they're not caught off guard if a lawyer's not going to be in court that day. But it's so important for lawyers to get rested and stay sharp so they can help their clients. So filing leaves is very important. But it's stressful for us. We don't want to leave a client unattended. We want to, if we book a vacation, we want to make sure the days are reserved through a leave of absence correctly. So there's a lot of moving parts there, but we do it so that we can stay fresh to help the clients. We do it correctly so that the courts and the prosecutors know where we are, and we alert the clients so that they know what to expect. That's the right way to do it. That's how we do it here, and we think it's the way that it should be done. If you have follow our channel for more information. Follow this playlist for more information about things they don't tell you about practicing law or being a defense attorney. It's a great playlist for law students thinking about a future in this career. And call us if you have any questions at 470-635-1725.